My name is Tanya, and today I will show you how to easily schedule chat messages with your clients on your LyfQuest platform. So starting from the left navigation menu, we will select the chat tab. Here you will see the chat window, and we can schedule a chat by using the schedule button right here. So select that. We can schedule a chat message to a group or a client. So let's start off by scheduling a chat to a client. Here we have Crystal Holiday. And I'm going to schedule a message to Crystal Holiday. I'm going to send her some information on STEM. And I'm going to send her a task. Okay, and I'm going to schedule it to go out next Monday at 9 a.m. And remember, this is the client's time zone. I'm going to hit the send button and it's scheduled out. Now, I can look at Crystal's chat window and see that it's scheduled here to go out on the 14th. If Crystal sends me a chat message, I can choose to skip this schedule message, or I can choose to send immediately depending on what her chat message is. Now, if I go back to clients and I look up Crystal's information card, I will see right here, the upcoming chat is scheduled. Now, I may say to myself, wait a minute, I made a mistake. I want her I want this message to go out earlier. I can go in and make the change. I can delete information, or I can add other information. I can change the message. I can do a lot of things in here. Save it, and now it's going to send out on Thursday. Thank you for watching, and check out our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials for setting up a successful LyfQuest platform.